In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research mutual funds on Google Finance. We'll keep this simple, practical, and focused on getting you from a blank page to a short list of funds you can evaluate further. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com/finance. This is Google's hub for market data, and it includes a dedicated area for mutual funds. Once the page loads, click into the search bar at the top. You'll notice options that help you narrow your results. Choose mutual funds so your searches and suggestions focus only on that category instead of stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. From here, you'll see suggested mutual funds appear below. These suggestions are a handy starting point if you're exploring and don't have a specific fund in mind. Click any suggestion to open its page. On a funds page, take a moment to orient yourself. You'll typically see a performance chart with different time ranges, a short description of the fund's objective, its category, and key stats like expense ratio. Keep in mind, higher fees can reduce returns over time, so it's worth noting that number. Also look for the fund's benchmark and general risk profile to understand how it aims to perform relative to the market. This walkthrough is for research only and not financial advice, but these details give you context before you dig deeper elsewhere. If you already know the mutual fund you're looking for, type its name or ticker directly into the search bar. Google Finance will auto-suggest as you type, which helps you pick the correct fund when multiple share similar names. Select the exact match to open its page and review the same overview information, making sure you're looking at the right share class. If you're still building a list of candidates, open a new tab and go to google.com, search for something like List of the Best Mutual Funds 2025. You'll get roundups from various sources. As you scan results, consider the date and the publisher's credibility. Best can mean different things: growth, income, low cost. So focus on lists that align with what you're trying to achieve. Copy the names or tickers from a list you trust, then return to Google Finance. Paste a fund name or ticker into the search bar and press enter. Open the result to review the fund's overview. Repeat this for each fund on your shortlist. If you paste multiple names, work through them one by one so you can verify each selection. That's it. You now know how to discover suggested mutual funds, search for specific ones, and bring in ideas from broader web research all within Google Finance.